What's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you love mobile games and you're always on the hunt for easy tips and cool shortcuts to improve your gaming experience, you're going to love this hack tutorial. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Today, I'm showing you a super easy way to grab unlimited Poke Golden tickets in Pokémon TCG Pocket. No downloads, no sketchy stuff, just a smooth, quick hack method that actually works. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, step 1. We need our in-game user ID. It's a small detail, but super important, so don't skip it. Just open Pokémon TCG Pocket, go to your profile settings page, and look for your player ID, usually a combo of letters and numbers. Once you've got it, copy it or write it down somewhere. We're going to use it in a second. All set? Let's move on. Now open your browser, doesn't matter which one, and go to this site. This page has all kinds of mods and game tools, but today we're focused on Pokémon TCG, Pocket Unlimited Poke Gold, and Tickets Hack. Just use the search bar to find the game fast, then click on it to go to the resource tool page. Easy stuff, right? Let's keep it moving. On this page, you'll see a short little form pop up. Nothing fancy. Choose your platform, Android or iPhone, then drop in your user ID from earlier. Once you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Proceed button. The tool will do the rest. It'll link up to your account automatically. Just give it a second. Now comes the fun part. Choosing how much resources you want. Pick an amount that works for you, then tap that Proceed button. Behind the scenes, the system is setting everything up, using proxies and encryption to keep things secure. It might take a minute, so hang tight. We're nearly there. There's just one last step, quick human verification. It's to make sure you're an actual person and not a bot flooding the tool. Basically, it's something simple like installing and running a free app from the App Store or Play Store. It only takes a couple of minutes, and if you're not sure what to do, the site's got a step-by-step video to help out. Once you're done with that, check your game. The resources show up in your account like magic. I already went through it earlier, so I won't do it again on camera, and it worked perfectly. Logged in, and there it was, full stash. Now you can just enjoy the game without grinding non-stop. And there you go. Quick, easy, and totally worth it. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your gaming friends. Got any questions? Hit the comments. I'll try to help as soon as I can. And of course, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a gaming trick. Thanks for hanging out, happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.